Hey everyone, welcome to today's webinar on implementing AI. I'm Ollie Fabian, or Oliver Fabian, whatever you want to call me. I'll be your host for today's session. We're here to dive into the exciting world of AI and explore 10 practical ways you can start implementing AI in your business. Trust me, this is going to be a game changer. But before we get started, let me just introduce to you someone who really needs no introduction. Joining us today is the CEO of Sharp AI, Misam Raza. So Misam has been leading the charge in AI innovation, helping businesses like yours harness its full potential. Misam, we're thrilled to have you with us today.
Thanks, Ollie. It's great to be here with all of you. Well, AI is more than just a buzzword now. It is something that will revolutionize the way you do business. Today, we are going to explore how you can leverage AI to boost your efficiency, enhance customer experience, and drive growth. Let's make this session as interactive and fun as possible. So, my goal is to educate and remind you, and to get you going with AI.
All right. So here's the plan for today. We're going to break it down into 10 key areas where AI can actually really make a difference to your business. I'll be throwing some questions at Misam throughout the session. Now, what I will say is these questions will actually be questions that I'm sure are on your mind too. And of course, we want to hear from you. So please do drop us your questions into the chat box and we'll tackle them towards the end if we have enough time. Hopefully we do. Before we delve into the practical session, how AI can be implemented into your business, Misam, let me just ask you this quickly. Why is AI so important for business?
Artificial intelligence is significantly impacting businesses. AI is changing every aspect of our life. The impact of AI is way bigger than the impact of social media in our life and businesses. There is no going back, there is no escape. AI will change every part of our business. AI is already discovering new antibiotics, generating ideas, managing campaigns, and automating various processes of businesses. AI is not a science fiction, it is real, it is here, and it has been adopted by trillion-dollar companies like Apple, Google, Facebook, TikTok, Microsoft many years ago. We have been seeing wonders of AI in animated movies for a long time. Now it is available for all businesses to adopt and benefit from it.
All right, thank you. So is AI going to impact only business?
AI is already impacting various parts of our life. It is a general purpose technology that will affect the economy, the way of our living, and literally every human being in the end. It is a major technology advancement like electricity, which changed this world. Computers or the internet impacted every part of our life. Similarly, AI will have impact not only on businesses but on our social life too.
And as you said, AI is already here and adopted or being adopted. Are there still elements of fear, uncertainty, or even doubt about it?
You are absolutely right. Everyone has heard about it. Most of us in the IT field have used it in one or the other way. As I said, there is no reverse in time. AI is going to stay with us and change the way we do business or live in this world. Did you know Apple, Facebook, Google, or Microsoft are no longer the richest companies in the world? Nvidia has outgrown in terms of revenue as it manufactures AI chips, a dominant player in this market. So, those businesses who adopt AI will be ahead of those who don't. This is a fact. The sooner you realize and adopt, the better it is. What you know doesn't really matter. It is what you do that counts. Imagine if you had an army of 1,000 super smart workers willing to do your bidding or customer service 24 by 7 for free, literally free. Would you say no to them and carry on working as you do now? Obviously not. The future of your business will be defined by how you integrate AI into your business.
All right, superb. So that takes us to the right to the point where we can start talking about how to implement AI. So we can talk about the 10 ways to implement AI. Misam, we're excited to know what are the 10 ways to implement AI into a business.
Well, before we delve into details, I would like to mention that there are numerous AI tools, applications out there in the market. We are all familiar with ChatGPT. By the way, if anyone in the webinar isn't using paid version of ChatGPT, you haven't explored its full potential. There are alternatives or competitors like Google Gemini. Whichever you like more, it doesn't really matter. The fact is, you adopt it and start benefiting from it. Some of us may be using Microsoft Pilot, which is again doing amazing job and helping a lot of Microsoft Office users. You may have heard or seen bots taking minutes of meetings, for example, Fireflies, to automatically create meeting notes, actions, and follow-ups straight away. Well, as this session is about how to practically implement AI in a business, we will use Sharp AI to demonstrate various aspects of automation. Sharp AI is all-in-one platform for startups, SMEs, sole traders, or consultants offering AI-powered features such as centralized inbox for emails, social media messages, website, or Google Chat. There is appointment booking system. There is payment and document signing system, sales and marketing pipelines to generate and manage leads, drag and drop website builder, surveys and forms, membership management, reputation management, media storage, WhatsApp integration, and a phone system. And it has integration with more than 200 apps. Mobile app, that is something that you may benefit from. But before I go further, let me share my screen and show you what we are talking about. So this is the interface of Sharp AI. So here you can see there's a dashboard, there's a conversation, which is a centralized inbox for all of your communication. There is calendar for appointment booking system, your leads, your customers' contacts, and there's no limit on how many contacts you can import. Opportunities where you can manage your leads, payment methods for raising invoices. There's marketing module, there's automation module, there's a site builder, membership management system, media storage, as I said, reporting and reputation, and it comes with a mobile app. During this session, I will be going through a lot of these interfaces, so that's why I wanted to bring it up front so that you get familiar as we scroll through various modules of this application.
Great, thank you, Misam. We're really excited to obviously see this platform and see how it helps to implement automation and AI for businesses. So let's start with the 10 amazing ways to embrace AI in a business. So I believe we're going to start with how to write emails that convert. Misam, how can AI help in email marketing? Writing effective emails can be a challenge, obviously, especially when you're trying to engage with diverse audiences. So how does AI actually simplify the process of crafting these emails, and what specific tools does it offer to ensure we get it right?
Great question, Ollie. AI brings a host of powerful tools to email writing. For starters, it allows you to generate with AI, meaning it can automatically create personalized email contents tailored to each recipient's needs. But it doesn't stop there. AI can also improve writing by refining the language, making sure it's clear, engaging, and impactful.
That's impressive. So how does AI actually ensure the emails it generates are actually polished and ready to send?
AI is equipped with features like fix spellings and grammar, ensuring that every email is error-free and professional. It can also simplify writing to make complex ideas more accessible, or if needed, make longer or make shorter to perfectly fit the message within the desired length. These capabilities ensure that every email is not only personalized, but also optimized for maximum effectiveness.
Hmm. Okay. So does AI actually doesn't just write the emails, it actually enhances them to make sure they're as effective as possible?
Exactly, Oli. With AI, you're leveraging a full suite of writing tools that ensure your emails are not only well crafted but also strategically tailored to engage your audience and drive results. It takes the burden off your shoulders by handling everything from content generation to final touches. Well, I stop talking here and I show how AI is helping in this regard. So as you see on the screen, so there are templates where you can create your messages. There are various types of templates. You can design and edit where you can drag and drop visuals, text. There is a code editor and there's a plain text editor. So the tool gives you options to start with newsletters or marketing emails. I stop over here. As you click on the email edit button, so there are various options. You can generate with AI, you can improve writing, fix spelling and grammar, simplify writing, make it longer or shorter. So we are going ahead with generate with AI. All right, so as you generate with AI, so you have to give a context. It could be for giveaway, you have to give some background, what should be the content title, give a brief about the content description. For example, this is email about we are giving away 20 free Shop AI integration for first users who register, uh, blah, blah, you can write as you like. You can add certain keywords so that the AI is aware what are the keywords and it can generate email contents accordingly. You can also select the tone, excited, funny, sarcastic, professional, persuasive. There's a full list. And you can add as many variations as you like. And finally, you can define the length of it, small, large, or you can define the number of words. For example, we are going with 120. Click on the generate button, and here you have 3 versions of emails within seconds. So you just input briefly, and now we have got 3 versions of the emails. You go through them, you can pick one of those, and that's not it. Once you finalize one, then you copy it, and then you have the option to edit it. So it doesn't stop over there. You can give final touches, you can refine it, and that's it. Here is the email. So starting from scratch, and now we have a perfectly written email. Right.
Great. Okay. So effortless website copy creation. Let's talk about that then. So when talking about websites, we all know that creating a killer website content is hard work. Misam, how can AI help us to craft content that not only sounds great but stays true to our brand?
Absolutely, Ollie. Firstly, we are living in the age of no code solutions. This means we don't need costly web developers to design and build websites or mobile apps. There is a drag and drop website builder, including hosting within Shop AI at no extra cost. Business owners can build websites and manage all analytics within the same platform. Answering your question, AI can generate website content that's both engaging and on brand. However, the trick is to start with clear guidelines. So feed your AI tools with your brand's tone and style. For example, is this website for children, students, elderly people? What are the colors in your logo? And don't worry, there is always room for a human touch to refine and perfect the final output.
Okay. So speaking of human touch, how do you suggest businesses handle the final review process when using AI generated content? Should they be more hands-on, or can they trust AI just to get, it all done and most of it on time for them?
That's a great point, Oli. While AI can do a lot of the heavy lifting, I recommend a human review before contents go live. It's important to ensure the contents aligns perfectly with your brand, with your values and messaging. Think of AI as your first draft creator, and you are your team as the final editors.
Right. So it's more of a collaborative effort between AI and your team. That's a great way to leverage the speed and efficiency of AI while still maintaining control over your brand's voice.
Yes, it's about enhancing your team's capabilities, not replacing them. AI is getting better day by day, and you can rely on it more and more. I think it's time to see this in real action. So within Sharp AI, you go to Site Builder. You can select number of templates from there. So this is just one of the templates. So this would be your draft website page. And this is a paragraph where you would like AI to help you in copywriting. It's simple. Click on it. You would see option AI, generate with AI. If it is an existing paragraph, you can improve writing. You can fix spelling and grammar. You can simplify writing, make it longer or shorter, just like emails. If it's a new one, you can provide brief description. For example, this is about us page of a website. So write about us. Uh, Tell what this company or your business is about. For example, this is about our business. We work in Slough and we have helped more than 200 clients, etc. Then you can select the length of the contents. You can fix it to certain number of words. There are advanced options where you can again select writing tone, make it funny, excited, professional, how many variations you need. With a click, you will see 3 variations of copywriting. Now you're acting as a copywriter. Select one of those, finalize, continue, and here it is, the contents on your website with a single click. You can go to new website, you can select a number of templates which are in there. This is the interface I was talking about. Within sites, we have thousands and thousands of templates already available there. You can pick one of those templates and you can personalize it based on your business, based on your values, your messaging. So for example, now we are adding a template. It will load the new template. And here we have a standard template. You want to improve it, personalize it, just click on any of the paragraph where you would like AI to help you. And then you can simplify it, make it longer. You can generate it. For example, in this case, I clicked on improve writing and replace text. So it will come with a better version based on your previous inputs. It is intelligent enough to replace the contents that suits your branding, your values, your messaging.
Excellent. Okay. So we're going to move on and obviously to AI generated visuals for marketing. That was totally awesome, by the way, Misam. So you don't have to rely on content writers and web developers to build or update your website anymore. Let's shift our focus to generative AI, creating compelling content, whether it's text or images. It's no easy task. Misam, how can AI assist in crafting both the textual and visual elements of a website, ensuring they not only look great, but look stay true to their brand?
Another great question, Holly. AI can significantly streamline the creation of both text and images of your website. For textual content, AI can generate copy that is engaging, tailored to your brand's tone and style. By inputting clear guidelines into the AI tool, you can ensure that the generated content reflects your brand's voice. On the visual side, AI can create high quality on brand images that resonate with your audience, from product showcases to banner designs.
That sounds
That
powerful.
sounds powerful.
But when it comes to
But when it comes
finalizing
to
these AI
finalizing these
generated
AI
texts and
generated text and
images,
images,
how
how
hands-on should
hands-on
businesses
should
be?
businesses
Should they
be?
rely on
Should they rely on
AI completely,
AI completely,
or
or
does there still need
does
for
there
like a
still need for like a
human
human
intervention?
intervention?
Excellent point, Oli. While AI can handle a lot of the creative work, I advise that a human touch is essential in the final review process. For text, this means ensuring that the content aligns perfectly with your brand messaging and business values. For images, it's about making sure the visuals are not only appealing, but also effectively conveying the intended message. Think of AI as your creative partner, producing first drafts, while you or your team adds the final polish to maintain brand consistency.
Okay, great. Do we have another video we can put on there, Misam?
Uh, yes, so yeah, I think it's time to show you how AI can help in generating visuals for marketing. Okay, so we are back in the same lovely interface of Sharp AI, and now we are going to see how visual contents can be produced. So this is one of the landing pages, for example, of the website you're working on. And now you know how to write a copy for your website. I'm going to show you how you can create images that resonate with your branding or with your intended message. So you would see placeholders or images already there in the template. And all you have to do is click on the image that you would like to create or replace. Click on AI generator and here describe your image. For example, you can say create image of a coach sitting in a classroom or in a classroom environment. The more description you give, the more perfect image that you would get. You can try some different examples. You can create a number of variations. For example, I selected 3, and this is really interesting. So you can create images which are animated. You can create colorful images or watercolors or dreamlike. But in this case, we are selecting a photo. Select the type of image, click on it, and within seconds, literally within seconds, you have got 3 variations of images. Select the one that you like and click on generate or continue. So it will create this image. So this image is in your library now. So in future, you can use it. And here it is. So that's how easy it is. So you can build your website, you can write copy for your website, all the contents, and you can uh, add images the way you like it. So I would emphasize if you give detailed instructions, then AI is intelligent enough to understand those and generate the images that you would like to see.
Excellent. Okay.
Excellent. Okay.
So I
So
believe that now
I
takes us to automated
this is
review
to automated
responses.
review responses.
So reviews can
So
make or
reviews
break
can
a
make or break a
business, and
business, and
responding to them
responding
is
to them is
crucial.
crucial.
Misam,
So
how can AI
how
help
can
us
AI
stay
help
on
us
top
stay
of
on top
customer
of customer
reviews while
reviews
keeping that
while
personal
keeping that
touch
personal
intact?
touch intact?
Great point, Ollie. Reviews can make a business successful, very successful, or not so successful. Reviews and responding to reviews are crucial for many businesses. So AI can quickly assess the sentiments of a review and draft a response that feels personal and thoughtful. It's all about speed and relevance. For more complex reviews, you can always jump in and fine tune the response, but AI will handle the bulk of the work for you.
Okay.
Okay.
So would you
So
say
would you
there's
say
like a
there's like
risk
a
of
risk
AI
of AI
responses feeling
response
too
feeling too
generic,
generic,
and how
and
can
how
businesses
can
avoid
businesses
that?
avoid that? That's a valid concern. The key is to program your AI with the range of responses that can be mixed and matched based on the context. Additionally, using the customer's name and specific details from their review can help make the response feel more personal, more customized. This is something we at SharpAI can also help with.
Okay.
Okay.
So that makes
So that
sense.
makes
It
sense.
sounds like
It
AI
sounds
can
like AI
handle the
can
heavy
handle the heavy
lifting, but you
lifting,
still want to
but you
keep an
still
eye
want
on
to
it
keep an
to
eye on
ensure
it
it's
to
delivering
ensure
that
it's delivering
personalized
that
touch.
personalized touch. Exactly. It's all about finding the right balance. So without any further delay, I will now demonstrate how the reputation management works. So we are back in our wonderful interface of Sharp AI. Okay, so we are in reputation management now. So this is one of the modules within Sharp AI. So here you can see all the reviews from your Google page, from your Facebook, for example. So you go to reviews and you go to settings and you can reply to a particular review. So AI is there to help you. So for example, in this case, in order to set reputation management or review management, by default, this feature is off, but you can select either suggestive or auto responses. So we are going with suggestive mode, which means AI would suggest the response, and then it would be us as a business owner or as a team for a business that would send it manually. So this is a mixture of AI and the team working together. So AI read this review and created a response. So for example, Sharp AI is a game changer. The AI powered CRM has significantly boosted our sales efficiency, highly recommended, and it's a 5 star. So AI is now intelligent to know that this is a 5 star rating. This is a positive feedback. So it would say, thank you very much for your positive feedback, Zohair. So it picked up the first name as well. So we are thrilled to hear that our services boosted your sales efficiency and that you're happy with our product. Obviously, it can see the sentiments that this is a positive feedback. So your satisfaction is our top priority and we appreciate your recommendation, right? As he said, highly recommend. So this is how powerful AI is. You can regenerate these responses at extra cost. If you don't like the response, regenerate. You can come with another one. You can customize it as well. And here you go. So that would be your response generated by AI to the review. Okay. There is also another way, auto responses, where you can select sources, for example, Google or Facebook. And in this case, AI would automatically not only generate reviews, but it will post those reviews as well. But you want to be in control. So AI is not taking over your reputation management. So in this setting, you would see as you, for example, if you don't want to automatically respond to Facebook ads, so you can only select Google. Let's say you don't want to respond to 1 star uh, reviews. So you can do that. Uh, in this case, for example, auto response is enabled only to 4 stars or above. You can set waiting period. So when there's a review, you don't want within seconds, there's a response as well. So you would like to make it more practical, more realistic. So in this case, you can add 1 to 10, 5 minutes delay as well. And you can add a footer there as well, as you would see in this example. You can set auto response to all of it. It's all about how you train your AI. And 5 minutes responses, I think that's good. So people would appreciate that they put a review and they got a quick response. So here on the screen, you see some QR codes. So this is QR code for Sharp AI, Facebook review, and Google review. If you can scan with your mobile device, you can go there or you can visit our social media. You can give reviews. and then you would see responses within 5 minutes. So these would be AI powered responses, and I think you would be impressed with the way, depending upon how you give review, you would get a very good or relevant response to it.
Great.
Great.
Okay, let's
Okay,
have a look
let's
at
have a look at
Streamline
streamlined
social media
social media
management.
management.
Thank you, Misam.
Thank you.
It's
It's
getting really
getting
interesting
really
to know what
interesting to
AI
know
is
what AI
capable
is
of doing
capable
for
of
any
doing for any
business.
business.
Social media
Social
management can feel
management can
like a
feel like a
never-ending
never-ending
task.
task.
It's
It's
practically a full-time
practically a
job.
full-time job.
Misam,
Listen,
how can AI
how
help
can
us
AI
to
help us
keep our
to
social
keep our
media
social
channels
media channels
active
active
and engaged
and
without
engaged
overwhelming
without
our team?
overwhelming our team?
Social media is indeed the perfect playground for AI. AI can take over routine tasks like writing posts, generating images, and even responding to comments and direct messages. This frees up your time, your team's time, to focus on building genuine connections or creating high level strategies.
But
But
can AI
can
really
AI
handle
really
social
handle
media
social media
interactions,
interactions
like replying to
like replying to
comments and
comments and
DMs
DMs
in a way that
in
doesn't
a way
feel
that
like
doesn't feel like
robotic or
robotic
impersonal?
or impersonal?
Absolutely, Oli. AI has evolved to understand the tone and context of social media interactions. It can craft responses that feel natural and appropriate. However, for more complex and sensitive interactions, I would recommend a human touch to maintain authenticity or build deeper relationships.
So it's about
So
using AI where it makes
it
sense,
makes sense,
but knowing when to step in
knowing
with a
when to step
personal
with a
response that
personal
sounds
response
like a
that
winning
sounds like a winning
strategy.
strategy.
Yes, Oli, AI can manage the bulk of interactions, but human touch may still be required to build deep and meaningful relationship with your audience. I think AI is capable to manage most of social media related tasks, and there would be rare instances where human interaction is needed.
That's a great point,
It's a great
Misam.
point, Ethan.
It's all about finding
It's
that
all about
sweet spot
finding that sweet
where AI enhances our
spot where
efforts without
AI
completely
enhances our
taking
efforts
over.
without completely taking over.
Yeah, that's true. Let's look at our next demonstration. So for our next demonstration, we would again go back to Sharp AI workflows module. Select a template of workflow for Facebook and Instagram. So before we go into details, so you have to set up certain triggers. For example, the trigger could be there is a social media post. Then you can set up triggers for all the posts or for a single post. Once the trigger is completed, such as when a post is published, AI will come into action and respond accordingly. I may be going into a bit of technical details, so bear with me. So what you see here is a workflow for a trigger. There are many workflows, these are pre-built, so don't worry about the technicalities. Sharp AI team is here, and with some training, you can do it yourself. I'm more than confident. So these are the triggers. For example, here we have got triggers for Facebook comments and for Instagram comments. So let's see how easy it is to set it up. So you go to Facebook and you choose the workflow trigger, you name it, you can add filters. For example, this is on Sharp AI page. What type of filter it is? When the post is published, you can select this trigger only for a certain post. For example, this is about this post, the particular post posted on certain date, and this trigger would be only for that post. Or you can do it for all the posts. Similarly, in Instagram, you can configure it with a few clicks. Then in the next step, you have to give prompt. For example, in this case, we are working on Facebook. So this is a comment on Facebook post by a user. So we're telling AI, now we are training it. And believe me, this has to be done once. It's a one-off thing. You can improve it later on, but it's so easy. Once we have done this configuration, then you would see how it works. So I sell AI-powered sales and marketing CRM. prepare a response for this comment. So this is about particular comment. It should not be more than 20 words, and the tone should be playful but professional. So we have given a prompt. Save actions. That's it. Similarly, you can respond on comments. You can enable auto like. So when there's a comment, AI would go and it would like the comment of your social media followers. You add certain conditions. For example, now we are in the Facebook interactive messenger. When there is a comment, this is really interesting, and I think you're going to like it. I've stopped the demo over there. When there's a comment on your post, then you can engage the person who posted the comment into conversation. So you can send them a direct message and you can start chatting with them. When I say you, then it is AI who is doing this on your behalf. So let's say there's a positive comment. That means there may be a lead for you. You can start conversation with the person. Let's say there's a negative comment. You can again engage that person through direct messaging. So you can trigger, you can have many actions based on the workflow that you define. You can do a lot of things. AI is intelligent enough to pick up the name of the person. So for example, it is Oli who put some comment. When it gets into conversation, it would start, hi Oli. So give a human touch. You can add as many uh, triggers or actions as you like. You can add a delay. For example, you want to respond after 1 minute. Similarly, in Instagram, so this is a comment on my Instagram post, and what you would like to do, you would like to like the comment itself, add a delay by 1 minute, and you can select another action. For example, after 1 minute, you want to send a response to that. So to make it more natural, more human, save it. So that was the conversation. So now I stop with the configuration here. I'll show you how it works. So this is a post on our social media, right? And someone is Hassan is going to comment on it. And he's saying, this is good insight, right? And he's asking a question, does it help in any business? Uh, this is good insights. This is a comment. And now we see how AI is going to respond to it. After a certain time, let's say this was after 1 minute, absolutely, our AI powered CRM is helping clients, and then there would be a direct message there as well. If you don't believe me, go to our website and our social media, and you can play with it. You would get responses. If there are queries which AI can't answer or handle, then we would be notified, and one of our team members would be. You're not there to only talk with AI, but there is a human interaction as well.
Okay, so let's talk about AI assisted chat. So, wow, that was really interesting. I'm impressed. Moving on to our next practical way of implementing AI, customer support can be a real challenge, especially when trying to provide timely and accurate responses. Misam, how can AI assisted chat systems help us to deliver exceptional support while involving the human touch where it matters?
AI assisted chat is like having a knowledgeable co-pilot during customer interactions. It provides real-time suggestions, responses for common queries, while still allowing a human agent to step in when more complex issues arises. So this is AI working together with you or with one of your team members. So this way, you or your team can handle customer inquiries more efficiently without sacrificing the quality of the interaction.
Hmm. So it's not just like AI taking over, it's working alongside our team, offering recommendations and streamlining the process. But how do we ensure that the AI and human elements work together seamlessly?
Great point, Oli. The key is to regularly update AI with new data and insights so it continues to learn and improve When integrated with customer service tools like CRM, the AI can access customer history in real time, making its suggestions more accurate and personalized. This collaboration between AI and human agents ensures that the customer experience is smooth, consistent, and tailored to each individual.
Hmm. That integration sounds like it could really elevate a customer experience. It's like having a full customer service team that's always on the same page.
You can say, Oli, it ensures that no matter who the customer interacts with, the service is consistent and personalized. So let's jump into the wonders AI is doing. So we are back into our AI interface, and now you're going to see how AI can assist in responding to customers. We are in conversation AI module. Here, by default, you see this module is off. You can enable it in suggestive mode or autopilot mode. So in this example, we are going to use suggestive mode, and you can use it for live chat on your website, for social media like Facebook, SMS, uh, and there are advanced settings there as well. So save it now. Suggestive AI mode is enabled, and this is really important that you train your AI before you start using it. You can upload as many documents as you like. You can convert your documents into Google Doc and upload as a link. So this is training your chatbot so that it has full knowledge of your business, your services. You can also customize responses. There may be certain frequently asked questions. You can add those, and there would be customized responses to those as well. So now let's say we have configured our bot and see how it works. So someone visits our website, they go, they ask a question. For example, can I make calls with Sharp AI? What happens in the background? This message goes to our agent and he would see the message. And now AI would start thinking how to respond to it, and AI would generate a response. So instead of agent writing, typing it, AI has done it within seconds. And there would be 3, 4 variations of that. The agent can pick up, customize it, send it. So this is how easy it is. And you see the response is there straight away. Next question could be, okay, what about email? And now again, your agent, your customer service team would see this message, so they don't have to respond. AI can respond to it. See, you can pick one of the responses and review it. If you're happy, proceed with send button, and the message is sent back through our website to the person who is chatting through our website. That's how easy it is.
Great. So Autopilot Customer Service AI live chat. Customer service is always where we really want to shine. Me, some automated customer service sounds great, but how do we make sure we're still delivering an exceptional experience?
Automation in customer service is all about efficiency without sacrificing quality. So these are two keywords: efficiency, but without sacrificing quality. So by setting clear KPIs like response times and satisfaction scores, you can monitor performance and make sure your AI is delivering. And remember, AI should complement your human agents, not replace them entirely.
What about handling complaints or sensitive issues? Can AI really handle those situations without escalating problems?
Right. Another great questions, by the way, Oli. AI can handle routine complaints and issues by providing quick, consistent, and efficient response based on past interactions and your policies. However, for more sensitive or complex situations, it is crucial to have a system in place where AI can identify these and escalate them to a human agent. So this ensures that your customers feel heard and valued and that their concerns are addressed properly.
So it's all about using AI to handle the basics and having a good solid escalation plan for everything beyond that. That seems like a balanced approach.
Exactly. So it's all about ensuring the customer experience is seamless and satisfying no matter what their issue may be. So let's jump to Sharp AI and see how it works. So back into the magical window of Sharp AI, and we are going to see how you can autopilot your customer service. So we are back in the conversation AI where you have seen the bot configuration. Instead of suggestive mode, you can select autopilot and save it. But before you do further, so train your bot. So you can upload as many documents as you like. You can customize frequently asked questions. For example, in this case, you have seen a few FAQs which we added. And again, if someone is on our website or on your website asking questions, this time as it is set to autopilot. So AI will not only generate response, but respond as well. So we don't need any human being there. So if you're confident enough that you have trained your bot properly, now you can set it to autopilot. So see, this is without any human interaction. So that's why we are calling it autopiloting your customer service. AI bot, your AI tool or application is responding queries of your website visitors, your customers. And if you like to try, then here's a QR code which you can scan and test it in real time.
All right. So managing your online presence. Now, let's talk about managing online presence. Meeson, how can AI help us to manage our online reputation and ensure we're always putting our best foot forward?
Okay, your online reputation is everything these days. AI can monitor mentions, reviews, and social media in real time, giving you instant insights into what people are saying about your brand. It can also automate responses to positive feedback while flagging any negative comments for immediate attention. This way, you can stay on the top of your reputation and maintain trust with your audience.
With so much happening online, is there a risk that AI might miss something important? How do we ensure that nothing slips through the cracks?
AI is excellent at monitoring large volumes of data. A human may miss something, but AI, if configured properly, wouldn't disappoint you. We have used it and we are confident enough. It is always good to have a human review process in place, especially for high impact issues. However, by combining AI's efficiency with human oversight, you can ensure that nothing important is missed and that your brand's reputation remains intact.
That's reassuring. It sounds like AI is capable to do so much these days, and we still have the final say to make sure everything is spot on.
No doubt, Oli. It offers speed and precision while reducing the cost and manually managing such tasks. I think it is time to see the wonders of Sharp AI again. So we are back into Sharp AI and see how we can achieve this through AI. So we are back into the same mode. It is set to autopilot and we select social media instead of just live chat and save it. Now, our this window is our Instagram. If someone is chatting with us on Instagram, he or she sends a message, then AI would respond to it automatically. So AI bot once trained is not only for your website, it is for your social media as well. Uh, with Instagram, with Facebook, you can automate responses. And if there is any query which needs further attention, then you can get notification. So in this case, a user on our Instagram is chatting with our AI bot, which is trained by us. Similarly, as you can see here, this is a Facebook page. Someone sent a message, and this is our response. Hey, Hassan. So the tool is intelligent to identify the name of the person who sent message, right? And the tool is also intelligent that when you enter your business website, it can read your business, and it can also respond accordingly. So there was a question posted, AI responded based on its library or the knowledge it has. And this is how easy it is. So you don't need social media managers or executives once you have properly trained a chatbot. So it can manage chat on your website, on your Instagram page, on your Facebook page. Right. So yeah, so the chat continues, and this is 24/7. So if there are many more questions, a number of people, you may be having 10, 20, 50 people chatting. You don't need 10 agents. So single AI is capable to manage those. So that's why when I said, if you're offered 1,000 super smart workers, then would you say no to it? And here you see when there's a query, so it can ask about their email as well. And once we get their email, so this contact is added to Sharp AI contacts as well. So it would become a lead. So we are not leaving it there. So we get the information and we convert it into a contact and save it in Sharp AI.
Okay. So appointment scheduling made easy. Really interesting to learn about the autopiloting customer service. Appointment booking is crucial for many businesses. Scheduling can be a nightmare, especially when you're juggling multiple calendars. Misam, what makes AI so good at managing our schedules, and can we do to make sure it plays nice with our existing systems?
I keep my answer simple. AI simplifies scheduling by automating everything from booking to reminders. It syncs seamlessly with your existing calendar tools, so you don't have to worry about double booking or missed appointments.
And is there any way AI can help with optimizing schedules, like finding the best time slots for meetings or balancing workloads?
Spot on, Ollie. AI can analyze your calendar, suggest optimal times for based on your availability, priorities, and even your energy levels throughout the day. It can also help balance workload by distributing appointments evenly across your schedule, preventing burnout and ensuring productivity.
Wow, that's fantastic. It's like kind of having like a personal assistant who knows your schedule better than you do.
Definitely, it's all about making your life easier, so you don't worry about these admin tasks and you focus on what really matters. So going back to magics done by Sharp AI, you simply start with conversation AI and configure appointment booking modules as you would see over here. So we are back into the same configuration, into the same module where you see conversation AI and your bot. So you set it to autopilot and now you go to configure intent and here you see appointment booking system. So here you can unclick this don't book appointment. If you want to send a link, booking link, then you can keep it on. If you don't want to send your booking links, you can untick this box. Train your bot. This is important. Tell the bot who it is. For example, you tell the bot that this bot is working for Shop AI. What the goal is. The goal is to assist customers and to make bookings. And you can give further information to it. Save it. That's it. Back to our website. On our website, now the bot knows that it is there to book appointments. And this happens seamlessly. So Andy is there and we greet Andy. We ask about his email. We get the email and we ask what they are looking for. They say we are looking for some SMS solutions, for example. And we ask further questions if we need any clarity. And then we try to schedule appointment real time. Right, so this is our response. We have asked if they would like to schedule an appointment. And it says yes. We ask when they would like to schedule appointment. And this was done on 6th of August, for example. And the person said for 8th. So AI is intelligent to understand he's talking about 8th of August. And now it is suggesting a few slots on that day. And the person responds 9:30 is fine. And now That's all we need to know. So AI would book that appointment within your calendar with that person for 9:30 on the date selected, and that's it. And you see this appointment straight into your calendar. There is a upcoming appointment with Andy on this date, and you can see the history of and all the details about his name, contact number if required, email, etc. And you can try that on our website.
Great. So effective prospect research. Prospect research is crucial for business growth, but can it be time consuming? Misam, how can AI help us to pinpoint the right leads and craft more effective outreach strategies?
AI is a game changer when it comes to prospect research. It can analyze and research prospects' websites, gathering key insight that help you understand their needs and challenges. This allows AI to craft tailored sales pitches and provide guidelines on how to approach each prospect. The result is more targeted and effective outreach, increasing the chances of converting leads into customers.
That sounds like a huge time saver, but can AI also guide us through the sales process, helping us to know when and how to follow up on these prospects?
Absolutely, Oli. AI doesn't just stop at identifying leads, it tracks the prospect's interactions with your contents and team, offering insights into where they are in the buying journey. It can then suggest and find the best times to follow up, ensuring that your outreach is both timely and relevant, which significantly boosts your chances of closing the deal.
That's incredibly powerful. It sounds like AI is not only helping us find and understand the right leads, but also guiding us through the entire sales process to maximize our success.
Exactly. With AI, every step of your sales process becomes more informed, strategic, and effective, leading to better outcomes and stronger relationships with your prospects. We go to Shop AI workflows and see how this magic is done. So within Shop AI, you do prospect research workflow, and here you have to set certain triggers. So what we the workflow triggers, and you see when a website is added, then what should happen. So we are telling AI that when a new website is added, it go there and it look at the website and summarizes the business in no more than 75 words. It uses GPT powered OpenAI. So this is the configuration. So you have to do it once, and Sharp AI team is there to help you. So if you would like to increase your lead generation, how to convert these leads, I think this is very powerful tool. So for example, in this case, we have added Luke Schilling's lifecoachluke.com. And now as we have already configured it, now this is a summary created by AI. And we can see the pain points or selling points for this customer. As he's a life coach, client relationship management is important, lead prioritization is important, feedback analysis is important. So we can contact this customer based on these points.
Okay, well, thank you, Misam, for that, and thank you for the incredible insights. Before we wrap up, here's what we'd like you to do next. We'd like you to start implementing these AI strategies into your business right away. And to help you get started, we have a special offer just for today's webinar attendees. So it's basically a final reminder. We're offering free 3 days of AI implementation valued at 1,500, including full training on how to integrate AI into your business. This offers when you sign up to an annual plan, and you also get further implementation support to ensure a smooth transition. This is a limited time offer, so take advantage while it lasts. And our team is ready to assist you in making AI a strategic part of your business. If you have any questions or need further assistance, we're here to help you take the next steps. Thank you again, Misam, and thank you for all the participants.
Thank you, Holly, and everyone for joining us today. I hope you are living with a ton of new ideas and the motivation to start your AI journey. Remember, the future of your business is in your hands. Let AI help you unlock its full potential. Thank you very much.